Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how do I remove my makeup. First of all, I am taking micellar water in my cotton pad and then I am wiping out all the makeup from my face.
Don't judge me. I just wish you knew.
I'm whipping out my makeup from my lip also.
That's just like you. I miss you as I need you. I want you.
Using another cotton pad, I am removing the makeup of my eyes. For double cleansing, I am using my face wash now.
I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you as I
Coming after washing it.
need you.
After washing it, I'm feeling so fresh. But now I'm using a toner to clean it all. This toner will clean my pores and reduce my acne.
I know life ain't always fair. I still feel I miss you as I need you.
Now for lips, I am using a pomade.
I want you.
By this way, within a short moment, you will get a clear skin. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.